Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the device location and immediately requesting permission. This is required for any coordinates. On Android, request access find location at runtime, and on iOS, present NS location when in use usage description, so the OS prompts the user. Once done, verify the app has the permission before proceeding. Otherwise, the APIs will return no data. Make sure location services are active and accuracy set to high when available, because this affects how precise the latitude and longitude values will be. Next, call the platform API to get the actual coordinates. On Android, use Fused Location Provider Client. Get current location or request location updates. On iOS, use CL Location Manager. Request location or start updating location in Web Use Navigator. Geolocation. Get current position. Why this matters. Different calls return fresh versus cached positions and trade off battery for precision. Once you request, handle the async callback or promise and parse latitude and longitude from the location object. Finally, validate and store the coordinates with accuracy and a timestamp so you know how reliable they are. Convert between decimal degrees and DMS only if required by consumers, and ensure latitude stays between -90 and 90 and longitude between -180 and 180. If things go wrong, first confirm the app still has permission and the device has GPS enabled. Then check for airplane mode, poor satellite lock, or missing hardware. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most location failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.